Regarding when describing endurance limit, draw a diagram which shows endurance limit or SN curve. Draw on x-axis number of cycles, draw stress on y-axis, and draw a diagram. It describes the fatigue behavior of the material under, under cyclic loading. On the x-axis, the number of cyclic loading is 10 million cycles per year. Endurance limit is the stress under which the material will never fail regardless of how much cyclic loading is applied. Fatigue failure is progressive failure due to application of cycle stresses which are below ultimate tensile strength. It acts as stress risers. With the passage of time, when these loads are applied below the ultimate tensile strength, the endurance limit curve does changes. So when there is a stress riser, the curve will go change. Stress shielding is a concept by modulus mismatch, seen when the stiffer implants are and extensively porous stems are used. Proximal coating allows proximal bone loading and reduces the stress shielding.